Y'all, what? Whoa. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you are new here, please make sure that you are subscribing and don't forget to like this video because it's about to be good, okay? Period. So I am so excited to be bringing you all this video. I'm going to be reviewing the newest product from Fenty Beauty, which is their Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. You all, summer is fast approaching. The warmer months are here. We need to get prepared. And so Fenty said, I got you, and that they do. And I'm hoping that this product is going to be my go-to for the summertime. I have a good feeling it is. The blurring skin tint that they came out with, it is a light to medium coverage, supposed to give your complexion just a little bit of coverage, and it's supposed to blur any blemishes that you might have on your skin. So if you all can see, I do have a few blemishes on my skin. It's like one that just will not go away. Really excited to see how this skin tint is going to work. This is my first time trying out a BB cream, a CC cream, a skin tint, a moisturizing skin tint, whatever you want to call it. But I'm not new to Fenty products. You all know that I do have a Fenty foundation. I have their Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 440. Now, the thing that I can say about the skin tint is that they didn't come out with a huge range as they do with their normal foundations that they have. So I know that with this skin tint, they only did come out with 25 different shades. And like I said, depending on your shade range in their foundation family, you would have been grouped with a certain number. So I am in the shade 440 in their Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So on the site and on Fenty's Instagram page, I was best matched with shade 21, okay? 20. So I went to Sephora, I asked for 21, but the lady also brought out 22 as well, just to see. 22 was too dark for me, whereas 21 I feel like is going to be the perfect match. So shout out to you, Fenty. On my way out, you know how Sephora always has you set up to spend more money on your way out. I did pick up the Soft Matte Primer to test it out for the first time. I've never tried it before, so I went with the mini instead. So enough rambling. I know you all are interested in seeing how this skin tint is going to look. Before we get started, I am going to clip my hair back because it's gonna be in the way. All right, so this is how it comes packaged in the typical Fenty packaging. So cute, so nice. On the back, it does say light to medium coverage for all skin tones, blends and blurs to instant perfection, light as air, okay? So we're gonna put that to the test. As you all can see, I went ahead and pulled back my hair. I hope I don't look too crazy this entire time, but this is how it is packaged. I mean, it just, Rihanna, you always blow us away. Just the packaging alone, I think it's super cute, very small and compact, so easy to put in your purse if you are on the go, if you want to do a little bit of touch up. And on top of that, the packaging, I want to say it doesn't truly match up to what the foundation color is. I would say, I think it kind of tones it down a little bit, if you will, but rest assured, I think that this skin tint is going to be a good match for me. And when you take off the cap, it is a twist cap, and as you can see, the applicator is a pointed tip. Yeah, overall, super cute packaging. I mean, I don't know, it's just Fenty. Her packaging is always on point. And then, like I said, I picked up the Soft Matte Primer. And I'm really excited about this primer because since it is getting warmer, I want to make sure that although my skin is kind of oily in certain areas, I want to make sure that whenever I am putting on a foundation, the foundations that I normally go for are always hydrating foundations. So I like to counteract it with something a bit more mattifying, especially since we have to wear masks. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and pump this on the back of my hand using one pump, and I'm going to spread this evenly across my face. Oh, and I've already I've already moisturized my face with my Pond's Moisturizing Face Cream. That Pond's Moisturizing Face Cream, I've been using it for years. Okay, I love the way, no. Feel me. Okay, let's get this audio back on. As I was saying before, my skin is already moisturized with my Pond's Moisturizing Skin Cream, and I just went ahead and primed using the Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. I like the way that it feels on my skin. It did mattify my face a bit, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I would pull y'all in close, but I think we're close enough, sis. I don't want y'all to get all up in my mouth, you know what I mean? Here we go. I'm going to apply the Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint in the shade 21. Oh, ASMR? Should I shake it? Let me shake it, because normally that's what they say to do. Shake it. Yeah. We're gonna try out this much first, so y'all can see. It is a bit runny, but I mean, you would expect that with a skin tint, a CC cream, a BB cream. Normally they're not thick in texture and they're more lightweight and runny, so I'm not too afraid about that. So that's how it looks on my face. I'm gonna take my Sonia Kashik Beauty Sponge to blend this side of my face in. Ooh, wow. Wow. You can't even see it. Wait. Oh, Yana. Oh, wait. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm sick. I'm sick. The rest, wow. Even when it sits on the back of my hand, it doesn't like change colors or get too dark. Oh my gosh, this is like, nah, okay, bet. I see what you did here. So here is half of my face done with I can't even say one pump, just like a squirt. You've seen the drizzle of the skin tint. This is it. I'm sick. And this is the other side of my face with nothing on. This is my face straight ahead, y'all. What? Okay, bet. I don't know why I'm saying bet like I'm about to fight her, but I mean, no, this is literally your skin, but better. In a bottle. Wow, you got, okay, right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Wow. You can't even, where is it? Where's the blemish? Where is the blemish, bruh? Where's the blemish, Now you can still kind of see the blemish on my cheek, but that never really bothers me. I can go ahead and add some more that's left over on the back of my hand to that spot to see. Poof, disappear. Whose idea was this? Who came up with this? Like, whose idea was this? All right, so this is my face with just the skin tint on. Whoa, this is insane. You all, I feel like this might be my, No, okay. All right, y'all, so this is my face completely done. Like, girl, look at my face. Look at my face and tell me you don't see a blurry queen. Tell me you don't see a model. Tell me you don't see a cover girl, because that's what I'm giving. And I want y'all to see that. Okay, period. Can I tell you a secret? I look good. That's not a secret though. I'm just being humble. comfy and humble. The foundation retails for $29.50. I picked mine up at Sephora, as I stated before, but you can pick yours up at fentybeauty.com, or you can go to Sephora and pick your shade up, sis. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Now, obviously, this is my first impression. There is no wear test. I haven't worn this for hours on end. I am so impressed. I'm super impressed. Shout out to Fenty Beauty for coming up with this product and making this product available in 25 different shades. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If there are any questions that you might have or anything that I might have missed, or if you just want to say, girl, you look good, you can leave it down in the comment section down below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here and you're listening still, make sure you check to see if you are subscribed. Like this video because, girl, you almost left and you didn't like the video. What's going on? And make sure you follow me on Instagram. All right, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed once again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all. I got makeup in my teeth.